Okay, so we're going to try this. I just created a new voicemail box at extension 10993. I'll set that up on this phone. What? Oh, dial's the top one.
Password. You have no messages.
I guess I don't have to set it up then.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options. Press star for help or pound to exit.
Okay. So because this has a dial plan in it where, like, example for 1 and then the 4 digits after it to be an extension, we're gonna start entering it on here, and then right when I hit the 3 on here is when I'm gonna hit the dial on here.
The person at extension 10993 is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
I couldn't tell if that actually went how I thought it would. So we're gonna try that again. But this time I can just hit redial because I can.
The person at extension 10993 is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
So it very much is the phone, as this test is saying. This is the only phone that's making the buzzing noise. This one over here, the Polycom one, I think the microphone's over here, didn't make it. And so so there's about 4 messages now in that voicemail box, and I'm gonna access the web interface for my phone system and just send the messages to the Mitel, because I like having all the buttons over here on the right side on the Mitel. So yeah, we're gonna hang up the Mitel first, then the Polycom. Okay. Hello. The system's not wanting to load, so let's just try it this way. Access it from the admin console. So admin console, UCP. I'm up here. That's supposed to be, yeah, you can't see right now. I'm gonna take this little bit out of the video. Yes, I need a new keyboard. Hopefully I'll get one for Christmas. The UCP doesn't like to load that well on here for some reason. I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna reload it, see if it says to work. Actually, no, we're not. We're gonna just go right to there. To the root of it all. Actually, no. I'm gonna go to IP address. I'm gonna click user control panel. Oh yeah. What if I put the optic panel? Okay, here we go. Okay. Processing and we're in. Okay, so we're gonna go voicemail, total system view. Oh, I don't know if you caught it, but that's an error that I see quite often. So can we just, like, work, please? Oh, I don't have that one added into here yet. Shite. Oh, I can't pull voicemail reports from in here. Because it is a module that, like, requires me to actually pay for it. Because, yeah, by the time I thought that this issue will be resolved, I just now saw that and I'm fixing it right now because I'm working on something else. No, it's not a priority. Okay, refreshing it seemed to have worked. So I'm gonna add. Where's voicemail? There's voicemail. This is taking a lot longer than I wanted it to. Oh, this is gonna be stupid. I've actually gotta go into the admin and go to user management. I don't know if y'all can see it or what I'm doing. Probably not. And I'm not gonna tell you. Oh, this has to go because it's going through my domain proxy. That's dumb.
Autofill the time saver, I tell you. Okay. User management. Nope. That's not nice. Sometimes this is. I just basically have to give myself access to it, because apparently I can't click one button that says give access to all. No. User details, no. Advanced, no. I gotta find out where. Oh, here, UCP. Yes. Here we go. See your access. Test voicemail, yes. Okay. I should try to find. Oh, here, voicemail. 993. Submit. And apply config. Now, hopefully this doesn't take forever. See, I don't get why for PDX would specifically, act slow or act like it didn't know what the frick was going on if it's going through a local domain name. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not going to give my end users their, the IP address of the PDX. Like, if I tell them to go to put type 192.168.whatever into their address bar, they're gonna think, oh my fucking god, what the hell am I doing? This is too complicated for me. But if I tell them to go to voice.domain.tlb, they're gonna go, oh, okay, it's just another website, I can do this. So it's like numbers are major taboo. They just don't like to do it. I'd love for this to just hurry up, so I don't have to, cut out a crap ton of stuff.
Cut out a crap ton of this video. It has been 10 minutes. It is almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, at this rate, I think we could call it 2 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. It didn't play fine.
I'm getting annoyed. I guess we could just do this.
Password. You have 4 new messages. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 to change
It has never
folder.
gotten this far
Press
through.
3 for advanced options. First message.
I couldn't tell if that actually went how I thought it would. So we're gonna try that again.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 6 to play the next message. Press 7 to delete this message. Message deleted. Message 2.
There we go.
I couldn't tell if that actually went how I thought it would. So
Oh, I didn't enable
we're gonna
something,
try
so
that
it's not
again.
giving me the date and timestamp.
Press 4 for the
You know, I
previous
find it
message.
stupid that we have
Press
to
3 for
physically
advanced
enable a
options.
date and timestamp on the
Message
messages. It's
deleted.
stupid.
Message 3.
So it very much
This is the Mitel.
the phone as this test is saying. This is the only phone that's making the buzzing noise. This one over here, the Polycom one, I think that's the microphone's over here, didn't make it. And so there's
So we're going to go to the next
about
message
4
now.
Message deleted. Last message.
So it very much is the phone as this test is saying. This is the only phone that's making the buzzing noise. This one over here, the Polycom one, I think that's the microphone.
Yeah, it's the Polycom.
Didn't make it. And so so there's about 4 messages now in that voicemail box, and I'm going to access the web interface for my phone system and just send the messages to the Mitel, because I like having all the buttons over here on the right side on the Mitel. So yeah, we're gonna hang up the Mitel first, then the Polygon.
Press 4 for the previous message. Message deleted. No more messages. Press 4 for the previous message. Press 3
It doesn't
for
normally
advanced options.
do it like this
Press
long.
5 to repeat the current message. Press 7
Here
to
it is.
delete this message. Press 8 to forward the message to another user, or 9 to save this message. Press star for help, or pound to exit.
So,
Goodbye.
yeah, it's weird. So then when I go to access voicemail,
You have 1 old message. Press 1 for old
Here it is.
messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for
So-
advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox
this is
options.
weird.
Press star for
I don't
help,
get it.
or pound to exit.
I just don't get it. Also, these voicemail BLFs don't work on the Mitel when they do work on the Polycom. Normal BLFs, like for the extensions, they work flawlessly. They also work for the park slots, which are just literally are just like entering the number.
I'm sorry, but there is no call parked.
These are handset disturbance, but on here, granted, this is a call park button. This is my call park extension, like where I transfer the calls to, then they go into the parking lot, but whatever. These two voicemail keys here, they light up whenever I have a new voicemail, because it won't light up the phone's indicator up here when it goes through like that, when it goes to a centralized voicemail box. I wish there was a phone that had a very similar layout as the Mitel, but offered the same level of customization and functionality. Like, basically take these two and blend them together, right? Take the best of both worlds. I like the layout of the Mitel with the color screen of the Polycom, the color screen, the high definition call quality, like the audio desktop connector, so like the software where if I make a noise on my computer, it'll play through my phone. And auto off hook for answering calls. Because what I can do is do this. And I'm talking through the phone. But if I do that where I start it on the Mitel, this just rings. It rings, and then because it doesn't answer, it drops the call. So why can this phone pick up an auto answer, but this can't? Why can this do everything else but auto answer a page? It makes no sense to me. It doesn't. Although now it is 2:05 a.m., I believe it is now time for me to rest my eyes, rest my brain, and rest my soul until midday. Thank you.